See, you stated that you are in-house manager, right?
Yes,
So
yes, sir.
you are a decision maker because you are an in-house banker. So
Yes,
being a genuine customer without any willful intent, it is my responsibility to let you know the exact scenario what is going on.
yes, 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 yes.
So you should be
Understood.
aware about it, right?
No, I'm understood, sir. I'm understood, but फिर भी I want to clarify that. But if you are any situation, if you are interested to settle with account, please contact me. I will help you and I will guide you, sir. But with the best amount.
Sir, but here if you delay the payment, then might be effect on your credit score and charges will be added.
No
It will be
problem.
fine
I
burden
don't
for you
appoint you
only.
as my financial advisor. Sibyl is my personal lookout. Let it be damaged. I don't care.
Then you have to make the payment, sir, right
I
now.
told you, na. I am already actively arranging the payment. You should call me on 15th of May.
Sir, understood, sir, but you already crossed the due date now, sir. You already used the
Then
funds.
what? Then
You have
what?
to make
Then
the
why are
before.
you waiting? Why are you waiting to cross the another due date? If you
Okay,
want
sir,
to
then make it
cooperate,
possible as
cooperation
soon as
makes the
possible.
resolution perfect. If you keep on interrupting in between, that's not going to get the account recovered.
दोस्तों, अगर आप भी रिकवरी एजेंट हरासमेंट से परेशान हो, अपने लोन और क्रेडिट कार्ड का सेटलमेंट कम से कम में करवाना चाहते हो, तो आज ही विजिट करें हमारी वेबसाइट पे baapofrecovery.com और रजिस्टर करें हमारी पेड सर्विस में, जिससे आपको मिलेगा एक्सपर्ट सपोर्ट और कम से कम में सेटलमेंट। और यदि आप ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, अच्छे से अच्छा कमेंट करें, और हमारे द्वारा कराए गए सेटलमेंट लेटर को देखने के लिए आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे फॉलो जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।
हेलो
हेलो,
जी, अयान मंडल जी से बात हो रहा है जी।
बोलिए बोलिए, क्या हो गया?
मैं इंडसइंड बैंक से बात कर रहा हूँ सर, हैदराबाद
हाँ,
से।
रिगार्डिंग व्हाट?
ये कार्ड का पेमेंट रिलेटेड बात
कार्ड
करने के लिए
एंडिंग
फोन
नंबर?
किया। ये आपकी लास्ट में 3168 है सर।
Okay, your name Soliti Reddy?
यस यस सर, सुरेंद्र रेड्डी से रिलेटेड।
Okay, okay. Yes, I guess you people have sent me some notice regarding this same account, right?
I don't know sir exact.
You don't know
Maybe I
exactly.
thought,
Okay, okay.
this
But
account.
I know about it. I have been receiving some notice regarding the same credit card account with the
Okay.
IndusInd Bank,
Okay.
and regarding the same, I have been replied,
Okay.
filed my objection with the bank. Are you in-house or some third party?
No sir, I'm manager, collection manager. This
Okay,
account, this
Okay.
account is allocated yesterday to me.
okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it. So I
Okay.
have been responded to the notice
Okay.
regarding the circumstances I'm facing and going through.
Okay.
I have informed to the bank n number of time, like people from telephonic team also calling me regarding the same. I
Okay
have
sir.
informed about it that currently I am going through with some severe circumstances.
Okay.
Number one is medical issue.
Okay sir.
To my personal and my father medical issue.
Okay
So
sir.
there is hell lot of expenses into medication that
Okay.
I have to take care, and apart from that there is a business loss and a job loss.
Okay
I am
sir.
a salaried customer, and also side by side I was having simultaneously some side businesses.
Yes. Okay sir. Okay.
Yeah, it was kind of a digital marketing business, and
Okay.
that went ram down, and
Okay, sir.
plus defraud,
Okay.
because I was taking care of this business as a sleeping partner with one of my relative kind of brother.
Okay sir. Okay.
I trusted him and I invested the amount. It was
Okay.
kind of high ticket size amount, above than
Okay.
15 lakh rupees. I invested into it, and he went away. He ran away with all the clients and money.
Oh.
So
Okay sir.
I trusted him that he is he's into my relative, he is my brother from another
Yes, sir.
mother.
Okay.
So there is no chance that this guy is going to ditch.
Sir.
But eventually I got defrauded into this investment and business,
Yes, sir.
and I have been fighting this matter into litigation with my advocate, and
Okay.
there is no chance that I can reimburse this money,
Okay.
because there has been no agreement in terms of businesses or to identify or justify the transaction I made
Okay sir.
with the accused person, because
Okay sir.
he was a relative guy, so I have handed over all the amount in cash.
Okay.
So this is the first reason.
Okay, sir.
medical issue, business loss, financial
Understood, sir.
loss.
Understood. Understood, sir. But anyhow, if you are
You,
interested with any settlement related, please
I got
contact
it.
me, sir. I will provide you best option. This is the actually purpose for calling, sir.
I got it. I got. See, you stated that you are in-house manager, right?
Yes,
So
yes, yes, sir.
you are a decision maker because you are an in-house banker. So
Yes,
being a
100.
genuine customer without any willful intent, it is my responsibility to let you know the exact scenario what is going
Yes,
on.
yes, 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 yes.
So you should be
Understood.
aware about it, right?
No, I'm understood, sir. I'm understood, but फिर भी I want to clarify that. But if you are any situation, if you are interested to settle with account, please contact me. I will help you and I will guide you, sir. But with the best amount.
I
That's my
got,
request. Okay, sir.
I got it, I
I
got
will
it.
update the entire discussion. I will update on this
Mhm,
remark column, sir.
mhm, 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 mhm.
For further, please contact me if you're interested to settle this.
I'll save down this number, Mr.
Okay.
Reddy, and apart from that, the business loss funds, there are some commitment from the client, my
Okay.
business client, the another third party person, not the exact relative guy who defrauded.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I have been working so actively and hard to get my amount reimbursed from the open market. So there is some person into our client list. He got agreed to repay some amount. So he
Okay,
has
okay,
given
sir.
me
That's
the
sound good. Okay,
May 15th or till end of this month.
okay,
I have no faith to that guy. Okay. It is very
okay,
first time that he has given the commitment.
okay.
Because defraud cycle, you understand, right? It's a
Yes,
pure
yes, yes.
scam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. It's a, I think, planned
Yeah.
scam.
So he has given some verbal commitment. Let's see if I'll get the funds from him. So for sure, I'll put IndusInd Bank on priority, and I'll get back to you on the same number.
Okay, sir. Thank
Hmm?
you. Thank
Okay, thank you. Bye.
thank you, sir. Please be there.
Okay,
Right.
bye. Bye.
Good afternoon. I'm Samuel calling behalf of ICICI Bank. Am speaking with Shiva Chokers?
Speaking. Tell me what happened.
This call is regarding. Thank you for confirming that. So this call is regarding for your credit card payment regarding, and also call is recording for training and quality purpose.
Okay, tell me what
Okay.
happened. How can I help you apart from payment?
0009 your card number.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm audible to you. I'm talking about your credit card payment regarding. So,
Yeah, tell me. What
so your
happened?
card number ending with 0009 your card number, na?
What happened?
So your payment still not done, sir. So that's why you're getting the calls from us. So your total amount
Okay.
is 59,310 rupees is the total, and the minimum due is 7,120. So both payments still pending. May I know the reason why payment delayed till now?
Reason is fund issue, business loss, medical issue, multiple debt, job loss. Payment
I
will take
understood, sir.
more
But here
time
if you
till
will,
15th of May. Call me back
I
15th
understood,
of
sir.
May.
But here if you already crossed the due date on 20th April. This is the mail
That's
one
why
is
I'm
on
telling you,
11th
na,
April.
there is a reason behind it. Why the due date has been crossed, there is a reason behind it, bhai. I have already informed you the reason about it. And to resolve the non-repayment issue, I have informed you that too to call me on 15th of May. Anything else?
Sir, but here if you delay the payment, then might be effect on your credit score and charges will be added. This
No
will be a
problem.
financial
I
burden
don't
for you
appoint
only.
you as my financial advisor. Sibyl is my personal lookout. Let it be damaged. I don't care.
Okay, then you can take a help from your friends or family so you can do that payment so you can reuse it again
I
also,
will
no?
repeat once
Like that
again
you can say
myself.
that.
I don't appoint you as my financial advisor. So don't advise me about my financial stability or resources. I know very well apart from you.
Then you have to make the payment, sir, right
I
now.
told you, na. I am already actively arranging the payment. You should call me on 15th of May.
No, if you want to wait me in call like 10 to 15 minutes, I can wait for your payment. So you can arrange the funds to make
We are
the
talking
payment.
about the
Right?
payment only. I'm not talking anything else about.
Yes.
For payment only, I asked you to do a follow-up till 15th of May.
But
I
sir,
don't
you
have time
already
for
crossed
this
the
call,
due date,
bhaiya.
na
Anything
20th.
else? Do you have more questions to ask?
No, you already crossed the due date on 20th, na sir. So
You
that's why
have
I'm
already
asking.
repeated this same line 3 times on this call.
Yes, sir. Then you have to make the payment, na.
I told you, na. I will make the payment till 15th of
The,
May.
no, no, no. No, no. On May 2nd, you'll get a new bill generated. So you have to make the two bills at a time. So it will be heavy financial burden for
Immediately,
you
I
only.
cannot make the payment because there
But
is a
once if you
reason
make the
behind it:
payment, so
business loss, financial loss, job loss, and medical issue.
but if you once if you make the payment, so you have time to make that remaining amount also. No? At least minimum amount
What
you
are
can
you
do it.
trying to say, bhai? What are you saying?
Once if you make the,
Are you
at
in a
least if
usual
you make
state
the
of mind? What the heck are you speaking? Do you understand the customer's concern?
Yes, I understood, sir, but you already crossed the due date now, sir. You already used the
Then
funds.
what? Then
You have
what?
to make
Then why are
before.
you waiting? Why are you waiting to cross the another due date? Go and follow the legal remedies and get the payment recovered. Why are you calling and informing
But
me, which I don't want to be informed for?
that's why we called now.
Why are you calling? I don't want these information from you. I already have this information.
Okay, then if you don't want to call from us, then you can make the payment. We
I
will
never
stop the
said
calls.
I don't want call. You keep on calling. You are wasting your own time. Keep on calling. Who
Okay,
cares?
then absolutely.
What next?
Okay, you can try to make that minimum. Then you can try to make that at least minimum amount.
Yes, I am trying. I said I am trying. I am
On
trying.
15th you will do, no?
You also try to call me back till 15th of May. We both keep on trying. Try. Then we will get the account resolved one. Anything else? Any questions?
Okay, make
Another
the fund.
questions?
Yeah. But
Anything else?
I'm saying just if you make nothing but just once if you make the payment minimum amount, so you'll get a time to make that remaining amount.
Bhaiya, I have a multiple debt. Okay. Do you understand the multiple debt? I have a multiple debt of around 30 to 40 lakh rupees. It is with 10 to 15 different banks. It goes around 25 different accounts. If I arrange minimum amount for every account for 25 different defaulted account, it goes around 1.5 lakh rupees, just the minimum payment. And if I pay the full overdue EMI monthly to all the defaulted account, it goes around 2.5 lakh rupees per month. Do you understand this?
Understood, sir. But
Because of these circumstances, I am unable to pay. That's what I said. It will take May till May of 15th of May. Call me back. If you
okay,
want
sir,
to
I'll make it
cooperate,
possible as soon
cooperation
as
makes the
possible.
resolution perfect. If you keep on interrupting in between, that's not going to get the account recovered. Anything else?
Sir, make it possible as soon as possible, sir. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Try to make the payment as soon as possible.
Okay, I got it. Anything else?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with ICC. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, bye.